Hi everybody, this is my 2002 Focus RS Mark 1. It's done 112,000 miles, so it's got some miles under its belt, and as with anything of this sort of age, it's starting to show some signs of some wear. These seats, love them or hate them, whatever, they are half leather, half Alcantara. And after 112,000 miles, they tend to show their age a little bit. So today's video, I'm just going to show you how to rejuvenate the Alcantara. Really see how they can see how it comes out. See if we can get them looking a little bit better. I've chosen the hottest day of the year to do it, so I'm going to be sweating my ass off. So apologies, but let's see what we can do. The thing that I want to get rid of is this kind of piling texture here that you get there on the Alcantara. The best way that I've worked out to get rid of it, and I'm not going to claim that it was me who worked out how to do it, YouTube videos, is sandpaper. So that's what we're going to give it a go at. This is 600 grade sandpaper. You basically just sand material and it gets rid of the bumps. It's great.